A 31-year-old accused of a terrible crime against an innocent 7-year-old girl. And police say it's not the first time that child raised concerns about her contact with her relative. This time, police say there was probable cause and Johnson was arrested. Karen Days is president of the Center for Family Safety and Healing and says a story of sexual abuse is one they hear every week.
It's not an overnight fix, and so we don't use, terms like you will be healed, but we will say you will be on the road of healing. We also say that we're about restoring hope, but it may get worse before it gets better.
Her organization offers one-stop support for victims of terrible crimes like sexual abuse, getting all the players from police to support to prosecutors under one roof.
One of the things that kids would say before is if they had to tell their story more than once, they felt like they weren't being believed.
If this case against Johnson proves to be true, Day says there will be a long road ahead for the family. But for the good of the child, Day says there is a better outcome if families stick together.
There are going to be layers, ripple effects, and so the entire family has to be willing to go down this process, because if they're not there to support the child, that child's healing can be interrupted.
Day says positives that come from reporting, others might learn it's okay to talk, and families learn to not keep quiet.
The guardians and the non-offending parent are doing the right thing. They're turning in the perpetrator and saying, "Not my child."
Marcus Thorpe, NBC4.